Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Azure Machine Learning Storage Account using Azure Pipeline for CICD. So in the last couple of videos, I showed you how to create the storage accounts either using CLI, Python, or maybe manually from here. So what you need to create Azure the storage account via Pipeline, you need access to, let's say, account in DevOps. This is what we have, and also subscription here. And of course, if you will be available, let's say, familiar with the pipeline from the previous videos, I have also created how to create a resource group via pipeline, via so pipeline, and also create a resource workspace. Now I will try to show you how to create it with uh, pipeline, of course. So now you should create, go to here and create a task, add task, and search CLI and add Azure CLI. Or you can do this with only click in the previous one, right click, clone, clone the task. This could also work. And now here you need to choose, update this. So it is storage account, create a storage account. Now for this, you need also this manage. I mean, this is the subscription. You can, I have also explain this in more details. This is the connection. Now this is the PowerShell. I need also to use a PowerShell. This is inline script. And if you have a file, you can use this script path. And from here you should select with the script. But in here we need to choose uh, inline script. For now, I have also this. Why this one here? I just need to close this. I have already prepared this. I will just replace with that here. And you can see here, this is a command to create a storage account via pipeline. This is also similar to the CLI. It's a CLI command indeed. And here you see storage account, the command is create. The name of the storage account, I should call this, let's see, blob CI01. CI means C continuous integration with pipeline. And for the resource group, I have also created the resource group. I added the variables here. And you can see the resource group is resource group demo 01. Let me just check. If it's 0. I have, let me just resource group. Okay, I have 01 and also underscore 01. This is the name, resource group name, and back also the location. The location should be also this should be, if it's a command here, should be like this. And here I have also the location. I will just add this location, and you can see location is also here as a variable. Est US, and if you see the resource group demo, it's in the location is SUSA. Now this is the standard SQA, and his kind it's a global storage, and access state is hot. And most, I mean, all of these parameters are already explained in the previous videos. So I divide, for instance, creating a storage account. I divided into 4 steps how to create storage account via CLI. First manually, then CLI, then Python SDK version 2, and the Azure pipeline. Now, if I save, and see queue. Okay, maybe because the pipeline it's already installed in my PC, so it will be stopped. But let me now activate the pipeline. So I will right click here, then click run. So now it should work. Scanning for stored capabilities, and it will try to listen for any job. And you can see connecting to the server. Now you can see it will be changed this here as a running task, as you can see running. So as you expected, might be expected, this will take, let's see, few minutes. And instead of pausing and get back to this, I would like to show you some other stuff. Maybe it's just as a recap because already explained in this. For instance, resource group or any CLI. For any CLI, we need Azure Manager connection, and for that I use this one here. But to create a new one, you need to go to project settings and repos, Azure pipeline and service connection. And from here, you need to create a new service connection. And I also showed you how to give access, give permission as a contributor to this service connection. Because if if you create a service connection and you haven't give them permission to create these resources for you, it won't be running. I mean, it would be stopped. And I think I have an error similar to this. Let me just see if it's not this. So this is the previous errors. As you can see, this is still running. Let me see if I have it here. Create resource. Ah, yeah, this one here. This is authentication failed. And to solve this, I already showed you how to do this. So this you need to give a permission at least contributor for this subscription service connection. Now let me back to our pipeline, running pipeline. And you can see it takes few minutes. For now, I will try to pause and come back to you when it's finished. I have many opens windows. Okay, now. And as you can see here, it's already passed. I will see created everything here. Now let's go back to the demo pipeline. What was the name of this? Storage account. Okay, 00. Yeah. Let's check now the storage account. As you can see here, is storage account blob CI00. If you have, I mean, this is the most, let's see, critical. Sometimes you get more errors or permissions. If you have any issue, let me know and I will try to solve this. But most of the problems is only a permission. And on the previous videos, for example, Azure Workspace or resource group, I showed you how to solve permissions issues. Thanks for watching and see you next time.